Good evening. This is Mark, and I'd like to thank y'all for watching my screencast-o-matic video. So today I'm going to be talking to y'all about Padlet and how to use it. So you want to go to the website, and as you see, I'm already signed in. But you'll see a sign up, then a login. I say login with Google because it's easier. So you got these four icons at the top. You got make a Padlet, join a Padlet, gallery, and upgrade. So a little brief explanation of what they are. Join a Padlet, you'll have to paste a URL that someone has shared with you to join a Padlet, and then you'll see gallery. Gallery is like a little jump starter for you to see what you want to do and how you're gonna do it. And to go back to the home screen, you'd want to hit Padlet, and it'll take you back to where your home screen's at. And then you have upgrade. We're not gonna be worrying about upgrade today, so we're gonna make a Padlet, and this gives you 8 different choices to choose from. A little brief explanation of what they are. The wall one's like a brick layout. The canvas is like small groups that you could connect, and stream is like a blog. Everything is lines up in a row. Then you got grid, starts at the top and goes to the bottom, goes downward. And you got shelf. Shelf is like a KWL chart almost. It's almost like sectioned off like that. You got back channel. Back channel is like a comment section. You can use that as a discussion board. You got mapping, the map format, which is like mark a location, you could put a short video description or image of it, and you got a timeline where you can just recalling events in order. So today we're going to be using Canvas, and this little thing will pop up, little column, I guess you could say, and you could change the title, which will be Demo Padlet, and then we can add a description for it. You could put, oh my, amazing Padlet skills. You can add an icon, which would be like an emoji or something. We'll add that one just because. And then you could put like the URL. You could change it to wherever you want. We'll put Mark is cool. That's not bad. And then you could change your wallpaper. There are different designs you could choose, but we're just gonna leave it for now. And then the color scheme would be, you could have it like a dark theme almost, but since it's a little darker, we'll use the lighter one. Font we won't mess with, but these are the different ones. I do like the first one out of all of them. It's a little bolder. And then you got the attribution, so that means the author's name will be somewhere on the Padlet, which we will have because we want to give credit to that person. And then you can have the comment section on. I prefer it on so I can see everyone's comments, see what they have to say. Then reactions, all this, grade, star, vote, like. Let's just go with like, just cause. And then require approval from someone. No. And then filter profanity we will have on, of course. And then next, you could get started with everything. So you could press this little pinkish red plus sign at the bottom to add a little bullet point, and you could type poof. And then add that little bullet point, and then you could type a little description of it. And then these little icons at the bottom, you could upload an image, put the link, go on Google and look up an image or something. Then you can take a picture. And the cool thing about Padlet is that you can use it on your phone too. And then these little dots, go into more other choices you could choose from. You could film it, voice record, screen record, draw, add a location, and you can link another Padlet to it. So we're gonna draw real quick. And since I want to be a math teacher, I'll add a quick little math equation. So we'll do 2 times 3 equals 6. Save it. Excuse me. And it pops up right there. And then you can double click on the screen also to add another like section to it. And so we'll do that, and we're gonna choose from some. We'll search up an image and we'll look up times table. We'll go with this one. So it pops up right there, and if you hold down the left click or whatever, you could drag it. You could do it like that. Since this is the first image, it'll be at the bottom, and this is the second one, it'll be on top. Or if you want to flip it, you could hit these little dots at the top, and you could send it to the back, and that'll send the back one to the front, vice versa, and all that. But we're not gonna do that. We're gonna mess with these some more. You can edit it by just like type in what it says and all that, or you could connect it to a post, which would be adding an arrow, and you could change the direction of the arrow however you want, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Or you could disconnect it by hitting that, or you can do it going the other way by doing the same thing, by connect it this way like that, disconnect it the same way, and then you could transfer it, copy, expand it, says cover, or delete it, which we're not gonna do. And you can add change color to it. We'll change it to blue just cause. And then the stuff up here, you can like it, you can redo it, you can share it. We'll click on the share real quick. You can add people if you're making it a group project with someone or anything. You could change the privacy to private to where no one will have any type of like editing to it. You could have it to where you'll have it to a password, but once people get the password, they can mess with it. You can have it secret where no one knows, or you can have it public where anybody can see. And then you can have that where people could write in it, can only read it, they can't write, or they could do whatever they want to it, just can't like delete your Padlet. So we'll have it to can read, then we'll have it password. And the password I could put Mark is cool again. Save it, and then you can go back, and there it is. You could copy it, get a QR code for it, you could add it to a website or blog, email it to someone, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on Google Classroom. You could also save the image as a image, PDF, CSV, Excel spreadsheet, or print it, which is pretty cool. Close that. Or you can hit these dots that says more. You can have info about the Padlet, help about it, like it, remake it, full screen, invite people, share or embed it, export, print, modify, or change format. Changing format will pull up all the different options that you have, and then you could, I'm just gonna pick stream, and then it'll pull it up almost like a feed, almost like an Instagram feed or whatever y'all use, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever, I don't know. And that's pretty much about it. And to go back to your home screen, because I think this saves automatically, it should, and go back to your home screen, and that's about it. You're done. And then you're done pretty much. These are just, the little left hand side is just what you've made, what's been shared with you, what you've liked, what's been saved. And for the new folder, you'd have to get upgraded, but new folder is how you would sort everything. And that's pretty much about it. Well, we're excited, and thank y'all for listening.